Hello dear fans. What is a storyline? It's nice to feel like an art connoisseur. Loving literature and reading books is a wonderful thing to do. And if, at the same time, you can also organize and analyze the read works, then it is a very original hobby. If you are interested in this, then you will probably wonder one day what a plot is. Often the composition of a work is built in such a way that events do not go in chronological order. Either the action takes place as in a countdown, or the days in the life of the heroes are completely mixed. In this way, the author tries to interest the reader, to make reading even more fun. Quite often, the arrangement of events out of chronological order is found in detective stories. If you decide to retell the work as it goes in the book, then you will describe its plot, that is, the development of events demonstrated by the author. The concept of a plot is often confused with a plot. To understand what the plot is, imagine, your friend asked you to retell him how the ending of The Detective developed in this way. Why did the heroes act like that? Then you will probably undertake to tell him the events in chronological order. The way it happened in time, and not in the composition of the book. This will be the plot of the work. Some literary scholars call them the opposite concept. That is, the plot is a chronological narration, and the plot is the stated composition. In order not to be confused, it is important to simply understand the differences between these concepts. The main difference between plot and plot is the order of the story. In the plot, the events are arranged the way the author wanted it. In the plot, the way it happened in order. For example, in Lermontov's A Hero of Our Time, the plot and the plot are very easily separable from each other. The plot may have a different subject of the story than the plot. In the plot, the action can be described both on behalf of the author and from the invented hero storyteller. Also in Russian criticism, you can find a different interpretation. The plot is the course of events in the work, and the plot is the main artistic conflict. Initially, the term plot generally denoted a fable, a fairy tale, that is, a specific genre. Later, he began to define the basis of the story. But sometimes you can come across an outdated meaning of this term. Thanks for watching.